Hi everyone, just wanted to produce this video to sign off the homeless campaign and update everybody on where we are today and the difference it's made to the people who we've given the kits out to. Big thanks to Alice and Carrie for helping me deliver those kits in Sheffield and Blackpool. We started out by walking the streets of Sheffield, giving out the kits to people that we saw on the streets, having a quick conversation with them, and they were all incredibly grateful. Obviously, if you're sleeping on the streets, especially at this time, you know, the situation in life is unstable, and everybody was so gracious and thankful that they were given some kit to keep warm with, because it was getting very cold. And in Blackpool, I was kind of happy to see that there wasn't as many homeless people on the streets as there was in Sheffield. And it was a hell of a lot colder there as well. But again, managed to reach out and give those kits to people who really needed them there and then. Got some excellent advice from homeless people how to reach homeless people who really need it, because you get some people who aren't street homeless, but they're still on the streets. And a big shout out to the Archer Project in Sheffield and Ben's project, who will be distributing a number of those kits to the people that they know definitely need them. So again, absolute massive thanks to everybody who's donated, and we distributed just under 50 kits, so that's 50 people who are now going to be warmer this Christmas. So that's it for this year. I'll probably do it again next year. Thanks a lot.